Okay, so I'm going to construct a 125-degree angle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am just going to draw a nice straight line. So I'm just going to write down here, draw a straight line. I'm going to pick one of the endpoints and I am going to draw a point. This is going to be my reference point for my protractor. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to line up the hole on the protractor on top of the point that I just drew, and then I'm going to make sure that this black line that runs through the bottom of the protractor lines up with the line that I just drew. So it shouldn't be on top of it, it should be the point lines up with the vertex, and then the line of the protractor lines up perfectly with the line that I drew. Okay, so from the point, I am going to follow the line that I drew. I can't go this way because that's not where my other line is. I have to follow where the line is that I already drew. So from the point, I'm gonna follow this line over here, and this is where I'm gonna start counting. So I wanna make sure that I'm picking the outside numbers because they are going from 0, 10, 20, 30, and up. I don't wanna start on the inside because this is already starting me at 170 and 160. That's incorrect. So I'm gonna go from the point, follow it all the way over. I'm gonna start from 0 and I'm gonna count up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, all the way up to 125 degrees. So this is bigger than a 90-degree angle. It's an obtuse angle. So I'm gonna continue past the 90. Here's 120, here's 130. I wanna be right here in between them. So I'm gonna make my line really clear so I know exactly where it is when I move the protractor away, and then I'm gonna move it. So now this is where I go back to why I drew this point here. I need to measure from this point up to the line that I drew. I can't measure from over here because that's gonna make it an acute angle. I need to line it up from the vertex to the tick mark that I made, and I am going to make sure that it's straight. So now from here to here is 125 degrees.